Today's topic is about the concept of transforming a nation into a research hub for humanity, a vision of turning this country into a model for solving global problems, particularly in the fields of welfare and human development. What are your thoughts on this?
It's a fascinating idea. The concept of focusing on solutions that the world cannot solve yet, like innovative approaches to welfare and social issues, is definitely a powerful direction. But how exactly do we make this shift? And what role do we play in it?
It begins with understanding that we need to move beyond just producing products. Instead of simply manufacturing cars or selling goods, the focus should be on creating knowledge, researching new paradigms, and teaching the world. In this way, we are not just consumers, but leaders in innovation.
Exactly. It's about establishing a country that is a research center, not just for economic gain, but for humanity's growth. The research we conduct should be aimed at solving problems that no other country can tackle. It's about a paradigm shift where we lead by example.
And this could be the birthplace of the next big societal model, right? If we crack the code on social welfare, that could change the entire approach the world has to welfare systems.
Yes, and it's not just about theoretical research. It's about practical, real-world solutions. For example, if we find a new way to ensure welfare that benefits everyone, other nations will follow. We become the model they turn to for guidance.
But how do we ensure this research translates into tangible benefits for the people? We need to create a supportive ecosystem where people believe in the process and see the results.
It starts with creating a framework for collaboration. Experts in various fields, be it women's welfare, economic policies, or social development, must come together. It's about the combined power of knowledge and practical action.
Right? And women play a crucial role in this transformation, don't they? They've always been the heart of social care, and now they can take that expertise to a national scale.
Absolutely. Women have always been the ones to solve the problems at the family level. Now it's time for them to step up and design solutions on a national level. They're the ones who can balance power with empathy, making them the perfect leaders for this new societal shift.
So this becomes a time where women's leadership is essential to moving the nation forward, right? It's not just about managing businesses or households anymore. It's about reshaping the future of society.
Exactly. And this isn't just a social change, it's a practical one. When women come together, pooling their resources and expertise, they can address complex issues like welfare, health, and education in ways that no one else can.
And at the same time, there needs to be a push for a new kind of knowledge, one that doesn't just follow global trends, but sets new standards for what's possible.
Yes, we can't just be followers. We've learned from others, but now it's time to teach the world something new. It's about solving problems in ways no one else has thought of yet.
And with the right planning, the country could become a beacon for international collaboration. People will come here to learn, not just visit for leisure or business. The potential impact could be revolutionary.
That's the vision we need to keep in mind. A nation that doesn't just produce goods, but produces ideas, solutions, and innovations for humanity. And when that happens, the rest of the world will naturally want to follow.
It's going to take time, of course. It's not just about setting up a few policies. It's about a complete societal overhaul, with every layer of society involved.
Exactly. From government leaders to scientists to everyday citizens, everyone has a part to play. It's about finding that synergy where each group contributes to the greater goal.
So the future is bright, but it will require a collective effort. And it all starts with building the right foundation.
It does. If we focus on the right areas, especially welfare and human development, and commit to making it our mission to guide the world forward, the country could lead a global revolution. It's time to move from following to leading.
Absolutely. And as we move forward, we'll see not just progress in our country, but a ripple effect that could change the world for the better.
Let's hope we're ready for this transformation. It could be the defining change of our time.
We're just at the beginning, but with the right steps, the possibilities are endless. Let's build this future together.
Indeed. Here's to a new era for both our nation and humanity.